Welcome back students with another very interesting video. The topic of our today's video is equivalent fractions. So the objective of the video: explore the two rules for finding equivalent fraction, explain the equivalent fraction chart, and complete the given activities. Let's discuss the equivalent fraction first. Equivalent fractions can be defined as fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value or portion of a whole. Just look at the picture here. This is a circle in which in the first circle we are representing it as one part of a whole. The total parts are 2 and the colored part is 1. So it is 1 by 2. And the same circle is further divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are colored. So we can represent it as 2 by 4. The same fraction is further divided into 2 parts. So that's why it is 2, and total parts are converted into 4 equal parts. So that's why the denominator is 4. The both fractions are equivalent, just the representation is different. Now look at this fraction. This part is divided into 2 equal parts, and here it is divided into 4 equal parts. And in the third one, the same fraction is divided into 8 equal parts. The three images are same, the three are equal, but their representation is different. For example, the first one is 1 by 2, the second one is 2 by 4. When you will simplify it, it will also becomes 1 by 2. And the third fraction 4 by 8, when you simplify it, 4 1 times will be 4 and 4 2 times will be 8. It will also equals to 1 by 2. So all these three are equivalent fractions. Dear students, now see that what is the rule number 1. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Like 3 by 4, if multiply by the same number 2 and 2, it will equals to 3 times 2 will be equals to 6 and 4 times 2 will be equals to 8. So 3 by 4 is a equivalent fraction of 6 by 8. You can also see here 1 by 2, if multiply by the same number like 3, the equivalent fraction will be 3 by 6. Rule number 2. Divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. In first rule, we have discussed that if you are multiplying a fraction with same number, you will get the equivalent fraction. And in the same way, if you are dividing a fraction with a same number, you will get an equivalent fraction. 4 by 8 will be divided by 2 will be equals to 2 by 4. And further, if we'll divide this fraction with 2, it will equals to 1 by 2. So the fraction 4 by 8 is equivalent to 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. So dear students, I hope you like the video, you like the concept. Please practice it at home and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.